Understanding Bone Health, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important health topic, bone health. Understanding this concept is not only beneficial for your language skills but also for your general knowledge. So, let's dive into the world of bones and learn how to talk about bone health in English. Bone health refers to the strength and vitality of your bones. It's about having bones that are strong enough to carry out daily activities without risk of injury. This includes aspects like bone density, structure, and overall bone condition. Good bone health is crucial for avoiding diseases like osteoporosis, which makes bones weak and fragile. Maintaining healthy bones is essential for several reasons. First and foremost, strong bones support us in our daily activities, from walking to lifting objects. They also protect our internal organs and store minerals like calcium. As we age, our bone density decreases, making it more important to focus on bone health. There are several ways to maintain healthy bones. Calcium-rich diet. Foods like dairy products, leafy greens, and certain fish are great sources of calcium. Vitamin D. This vitamin helps your body absorb calcium. Sunlight is a natural source, but it can also be found in foods and supplements. Regular exercise. Weight-bearing exercises like walking and strength training help build and maintain bone density. Avoiding certain habits. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can negatively impact bone health. It's important to be aware of conditions that can affect bone health, such as osteoporosis, a condition where bones become weak and brittle. Arthritis, a joint disorder that can impact the bones. Knowing these terms helps in understanding and discussing bone health effectively. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the importance of bone health. Remember, taking care of your bones is a crucial part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Stay healthy and keep learning. See you in our next video.